3 hours later.
Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna play Call of Duty with my friend. So it is me versus my friend. So let's see who wins. And I'm going to use AK-117, the best gun ever. Because whenever I use AK-117, I always win. That's why I'm gonna again use AK-117. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, okay? And let's go. And please subscribe, like it and share it because it's totally free. I'm not able to hear the sound. Wait. Okay, yeah, I have told him to wait because I'm not able to hear the game sound, so I'm just changing my earplugs. Okay, 3, 2, 1, resume. Wait. Yeah, let him go. I'll just tell him to go. Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1, resume. And now we go. We start the battle. He by mistakenly took sniper in his loadout. You never mind. This time... Oh, he again took sniper. Oh, he killed me with the... I thought he had a sniper. That's why I was giving him pre-fire. Okay, never mind. Revenge taken. I think she'll come from here again. Okay, he didn't come. Never mind. Camping over there. But I won't leave you. If you want more videos, fights between me and my friend, so like, share and subscribe. Oh, he put a Molotov on himself. Only one bullet. He was left of 1 HP only. So 1 bullet and he was dead. Cool, yeah. And he again came with the... Okay, he again threw a Molotov. Shit. I have to run. Where is he? Okay. No. No, I'll die. Yeah, my HP was so less. Only 25 I was. Because Molotov, if we, throw the Molotov and then we are of only remaining 1 HP. That's why Molotov is very useful 1v1 mein. And I'll change my loadout this time. No, wait, I'll change my loadout and put Molotov afterwards. But now I'll just kill him. Oh shit. No, yaar, I was winning. Seriously. Okay, never mind. Come here. Huh? What? Are you serious? Wait. Only 4 to 5 bullets and I was dead? I thought it would burst on his head, yaar, but it didn't. Okay, never mind. Lol. AK-117 rocks. It's a true power of AK-117. One needs. We both are equal. I'm just waiting that my war machine gets unlocked. Then he'll have bad time. And here he asked me what all do... No, wait. When ahead I'll win against him. He'll ask what all accessories I have in my gun. And he has more better accessories. Still he lost. You just see, it's going to be super awesome. And the second one is going to be more awesome. Where is this guy? Okay, War machine rocks. Oh, what an epic gun it is. Like, war machine is good only like if we are having 4 to 5 people ahead us, but like he was one, so nothing much happened. Yeah, but war machine gave me damage. This was the first time that I used War Machine. Works. So much pre-fire I gave. Which gun do you like? Just comment me and I'll play with that gun only. And yeah, afterwards tomorrow we are going to do sniper only challenge, and whatever it's in a sniper loadout, and sniper only challenge, and also and shotgun only challenge. For those challenges, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Gaming with Sahil. And if you want live stream, so just write live stream in the comment section and share as much as you can in this video. So I versus my friend live stream video we can do. Okay, again, right? This is the best place to camp, because most of the time when we both play Battle Royale also together, he says always to rush, and that's why I'm taking benefit of that. Oh no! Oh, 1 HP was because he had that War Machine gun. Let it go. I'm waiting here. Yeah, I think so it would have gone, because War Machine that goes very fast. The time of War Machine is very low. Okay, he still had. What, dude? Are you kidding me? I'm really pro at this game. And yeah, I'll get more videos of Free Fire also. I play Call of Duty more because I think Call of Duty is the leading game in Battle Royale. And yeah, I am going to play Minecraft also, the best game ever. Okay, lot of damage. Mold, okay, but it didn't hurt me. Mold didn't hit me, but yeah, his take was really nice. He is not here. Maybe then in that house. Okay, no, he wasn't. What the heck, yaar? No, I thought he was here. Okay, he's there. I am really stupid. He is also having AK-117. Oh, yaar. See, whenever I throw a nade, he always runs from there. I don't understand. How does he get to know? Okay. So now where is he? He's there. Boom. He ran from there. Oh, smoke, and he ran from there. Arey yaar, I had such a good chance to kill him, but I missed everything, yaar. I would be now 13. Okay, never mind, but still, I am leading. Where is he now? He was behind me. Shit, 1 HP. Seriously, 1 HP. I am only 1 HP. Seriously, I am only 1 HP. Shit, man. Okay, it deflected and smoke. Oh, okay, he's coming. I saw him coming. My bullet button was not pressing on. Okay. My hands were a bit moist. My hands had a bit of moisture, that's why. But still, I killed him. Just have to tackle him for 1 more minute and then it's my victory. Yeah, he can also win, but I have more chances to win. He's coming. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I killed him. I didn't give him time to run only. And where is he coming? Let's see. where is he, yaar? I think he also started camping like me. Arey, no. Decline. Arey yaar, I had a lag. I'm so sorry for the lag. But I'm really sorry. Oh, arey, he took 3 points. Oh, acha, huh? Okay, but still, I'll win this one. 7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's my victory. Yes, it's my victory. It's all mine. Victory 16-12. He played well. Head. Everything was on head. Seriously, everything was literally on head. See the head. Everything was on head. Literally. Like, god ban gaya wo. But still he again challenged me to play one more. So I always take all the challenges. Actually, this AR was my challenge and he gave me the sniper challenge. So today we'll complete this challenge and sniper we'll do some other day because I am not so good at sniping. In sniping we'll do in kill house because kill house is a good place for sniping. And he didn't have the kill house map, that's why we are doing on Nuketown. But this is such a small town. And then I again thought of camping only because in camping I took such a long lead. That's why now I'm again camping. Because I know he's going to rush, that's why I'm aram se sitting over here and now he'll rush. He got sniper. Why did he get sniper? I think so he wants to lose against me. Where is he? I don't think. I just don't. Wait. 1 second. Dude, is he also camping? Wait, I have to check that out. Oh! Oh, this time he also had. No, okay, he again had that sniper. Dude, why is he doing sniper? Acha, he thought. Wait 1 second. Why is getting sniper out? Oh, knife. Oh, acha, I understood. He wanted to get that knife. Acha, he wanted to get. Oh, yeah. Oh, he wanted to kill me with a knife. Yeah, he's telling me. He wanted to kill me with his knife, but he sadly could not. First, he forgot to take that knife first 2 times. And the second time. Oh, okay. Yeah, and the second time he also forgot, but the third time he got the knife but failed, but the fourth time he really killed me with the knife. When we have the knife now, we run very fast. Shit. Now this time he gets an AR gun, and again which will be very tough to kill him, but still I'll do it. He came there. No, he still got a knife. I thought this time he'll get AR gun. Dude, why is he getting knife? Okay, this time he should get AR, or else even I'll take out my knife. Because then it's unfair. No, he got his gun. But still, pro remains pro. And this skin looks so good in AK-117, and plus the scope. Oh, Molotov. Okay. Molotov, huh? He thought that he would kill me with Molotov, but sadly he could not. Where is he? It's in my... Okay, he's there. Oh yes, War Machine is the best gun. This Molt. Okay, now this is a great camp because he's again gonna come from here. Arey, he didn't come. Oh, he threw the Molotov. I thought he's gonna come from here. But now from where will he come? I wanted to throw up, but it came down. Hey, lol. What a great camp, yeah. Arey, he's getting his knife or something. Acha, he's coming. Woohoo! I knew it. I knew it. He would come from there. That's why I got this thingy. I just knew it. He would get that out. That's why I made him out. And this time 100 kill and one will kill him. But he's in the house. That's why it's not killing. But that's why now I am gonna rush on him. And when he comes out, then he's gonna die. Where are you now? Oh, head. Everything was on head. And I was 10 HP. Head is the best place to hit. I'll tell you a best combi in multi. No, I'll tell you a best combi in battle royale. It is. Oh no, wait. What did it? Oh, it was behind. The best combi is AK-117 and a sniper. And I adjusted so well in smoke. Really, I adjusted so well in smoke, yaar. You cannot believe it. I adjusted so well in smoke. Now you cannot think of. I adjusted so well. Matlab clear on all shots on his head. But yeah, the last shot I think so was on body. That's why I didn't get headshot. Okay. And my biggest mistake, now I'm gonna throw a nade on him. And doesn't understand why I was doing that. My chopper is there. Chopper inbound. And where is he now? Where is... Okay, he is there now. Is there... Oh! Arey! Wait. You know, this is a voiceover video, na? So you know what the hell he did? He told that his mother wants the phone. So he said, don't kill me. And he was running and he threw a War Machine sheet on my head. Are you serious? Such a cheater he is. Arey, what the heck? Arey. Smoke, huh? But... Oh, he adjusted, huh? Great adjust in smoke. Great adjust. 13-3. What a lead I have taken. Seriously, what a lead I have taken. The true power of War Machine. Oh, lol, dude. Yeah, see, the War Machine's power goes so early. I have 6 bullets left, but still I cannot do anything. See. I had 5 to 6 bullets left, and its time got over. Or else the rest ka guns it has so much of time. Has good Molotov didn't go on me, or else I would die. He also gave me a lot of damage. Okay, Molotov. He again wanted to throw up, but he didn't. He was not able to. That's why. But still I was down only 4. He's not coming from... Oh! What? From where did he come? Are you serious? Wait, from where the hell is he? Arey yaar, whenever I throw a nade, why does he run from there, yaar? I just don't understand. I was getting pre-fire from the smoke and he killed me. 30 bullets I gave him pre-fire. What the heck? 16-6 was 16-3. But still I can cope up. So no worries yet. Okay. Where is he? What? Oh, acha, yeah. Now over here, na he told that his mother is calling. He has to go because he got to know that he is losing badly, seriously. 17-6 and 1 minute left, so he got that he'll lose. That's why he said, okay, I'm going. What circuit he is. Now now I'm gonna take a lead because now see I'll go till 21 points via killing him. So this will be a pro match. See now the rest of the video now you see because there is nothing to commentary because he left because he got to know that he is gonna lose. That's why he left. Like he gave me a bhana that he has to eat his dinner. 3. Yeah, the invisibility, that thing, na. But my drone came from such a great speed, yaar. That was literally. Okay, 11. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, boy. Last kill was awesome with that knife. Just see it. 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, and 1. What? Arey? This final kill cam was totally wrong, yaar. He died in the second shot only. Okay, only this much for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please like, share and subscribe. Okay, 2718 ka damage. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.